Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, WeBe Autos. Today we have a 1940 Ford pickup. Got the owner here, so tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today?
Oh, good.
Yeah, what a cool truck.
Yeah, it's a neat little ride. It's a 40 Ford pickup. It's got a 350 Chevy in it, 350 turbo tranny.
Nice.
Early Chevrolet rear with 355 gears. Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carburetor, single wire alternator. Totally rewired, the total truck. It's got power disc brakes, brand new power boosters. Everything's new in the truck. You can drive it, get in it, and have a ball.
That's great. I love the patina on it.
Yeah, it's no rot whatsoever, just surface rust, and it's a nice little truck.
Yeah, looks good. S10 wheels, brand new tires, all brand new running gear.
Yeah, it's
interior's done?
Interior's all redone. Rugs, headliner, all new. Seats reupholstered. When you're driving in it, it's like driving a nice new 40 Ford truck.
Very cool.
But look outside, it looks like an old rig.
Love it, man. Very cool. Looks like it's been on the farm for a while.
Yeah, I think so.
All new wires from front to back, huh?
Everything was taken out and all replaced.
It's nice that you can have a truck that looks like this, but all new on the inside.
Yeah. Starts every time, runs like a clock.
Great. Let's check out under the hood. Is that a crate motor?
It's a Target motor. Target Master motor.
Okay.
It's probably got about 3,000 miles on it.
All right.
Tranny was just redone. Brand new aluminum radiator. It's great. It's just
cool.
You turn the key, it cranks over.
What is that? Edelbrock 650? 600?
That's correct.
Okay. Manifolds. It's like everything's new too. Ground strap, brake lines, body bushings.
We got it on Ahooga Horn.
You got the Ahooga. Very cool. Let's fire it up. Wow, nice and reliable, huh? Yeah, you can drive this thing anywhere, huh?
You can take it anywhere.
Freaking awesome. Inside's all done. New carpets, new vinyl seat, new headliner. Got all new gauges. Fuel gauges right there. He's got added gauges under here. Man, it's cold today, huh?
Yeah, it is. It is.
Man, I love it.
Even got directionals with little arrows.
Put them on. Let's see. I love it.
Stop! Stop!
Oh, it even says stop on it.
Yeah.
Very cool. We buzzing around the block?
Let's go.
Yeah, let's do it. Turbo 350?
Yep.
Nice. Nine-inch rear?
No, it's a little Chevy, early Chevy rear.
Oh, okay. It runs great. You'd never know by looking at it.
No, you would never know. I'd drive this thing anywhere.
Power disc brakes all the way around, huh?
Yeah.
Great. Spin. We don't have any plates on it. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a buzz. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot, and hope to hear from you soon.